So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment 5G wireless standard design week 4th assignment 4. So the first question is for the given channel y equal to x plus n. The PD of noise is given by. So this is our equation and calculate the map threshold value alpha if the transmitter is transmitting using BPSK symbol such that 0 is mapped to -1 and 1 is mapped to +1 with P of x equal to 1 by 3 and P of x equal to 1 equal to 2 by 3. So the answer of our first question is C, -1 by 3. Now the second question is find the new threshold value in question first. If the transmitter is transmitting using BPSK symbol such that 0 is mapped to 0 and 1 is mapped to 1 with rest of the parameter remaining same. So these are the option and the answer of our second question is A, 0. Now the third question is the scrambling sequence will affect the LLR value which will be fed to the soft decoder. So these are the option true and false. So the answer of our third question is A, true. Now the fourth question is consider a user for which 125 PRBS is allocated across 12 OFDM symbols. Calculate the total number of REs available for the user to transmit the PDSCH. Note reserve the desired number of subcarriers for pilots as taught in class. So the answer of our fourth question is 16500. Now the fifth question is in the above question if the user uses a 64 QAM modulation with the code rate of 600 by 1000 calculate the number of intermediate information bits available to the user across three layers. Given an info by 100 as the final answer. So the answer of our fifth question is 1782. Now the sixth question is in question 4. If the user is allocated 13 symbols with the rest of the conditions unchanged, calculate the gain in number of REs that the user will get to transmit the PDSCH. So these are the option and the answer for our sixth question is A, 10%. Now the seventh question is the low pass filter is used in the baseband processing at the receiver too. So these are the option and the answer of our seventh question is B, to obtain the transmitted IQ samples. Now the eighth question is this if the receiver RF signal RT equal to ST plus NW and so on. And the answer of our eighth question is D, pi by 3. Now the ninth question is what is the purpose of using the pass band filter at the receiver while recovering the base band signal? So these are the option and the answer of our ninth question is C, to limit the pass band noise. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.